Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today we're gonna make a very nice, with such a great and beneficial ingredients, a facial toner with Solubiliser. So what the Solubiliser is gonna do is gonna mix the essential oil and the water-based ingredients together, because as you know, essential oils or any other oils, when you mix together with waters, they are kind of staying separately. So that's what Solubiliser does. It just bonds nicely everything together. So for this facial toner, I'm using Hydrosol. I have in here Orange Blossom Hydrosol, Neroli Hydrosol. You are more than welcome to choose and to use your own favorite hydrosol. Either could be, rose hydrosol or rosemary hydrosol, which is very good for your facial skin as well, or any other hydrosol. And then I have in here, wait it out, Witch Hazel. Witch Hazel it's an estrogen. It's super good for the skin with the acne prone skin or oily or combination skin, which myself, I have a combination skin. So the Witch Hazel, it's very good for my skin. Then I have in here aloe vera juice. Aloe vera, it super hydrates your skin, moisturizes and softens your skin. So aloe vera is always good to use in most of your products. And I have in here 5% of the formula Arnica Extract. Arnica Extract it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which is very good for your skin as well, face skin especially. So what we'll do now, so I have all my water-based ingredients weighted out. What I'm gonna do now, in this little kind of plate, which I'm gonna put on the scales, I'm gonna tear it out. And so I'm gonna add my Solubiliser. Okay, so 8 parts, which is of my formula. I have 9.6 grams of the Solubiliser. So as always, guys, the whole formula and recipe you will find in a description box below, and so don't worry about that. So I have in here 9.6 grams of Solubiliser. And now to this I will add 1%, which is 1.2 grams of my Lavender Essential Oil. Yes, this is lavender. I'm gonna tear out the scales. And 1.2 grams. Okay, 1.2 grams Lavender Essential Oil. And what I'm gonna need now, I'm just gonna mix it very well here. So Solubiliser is like clear in color and it's like gel consistency. So the whole consistency got even more thicker, as you see. And now what we're gonna need, I just got a little bigger beaker, and I'm just gonna add my hydrosol in this beaker. As well, I will add Witch Hazel, Aloe, and I'm gonna add this gel consistency here. And mix it out, and it's gonna dissolve everything into the water. Just I will add my aloe vera gel into whatever is left. Just make sure that I will have everything, not gonna leave anything. Okay. And just will mix it very well. To mix it very well, I'm just gonna take my little helper. So to mix it everything properly, I'm just gonna take my little helper here. And I'm just gonna add my Arnica Extract as well. Well, so as you see, it got a bit foamy, don't worry about it, because I was using this like a latte foamer. So this foams will disappear anyways. And as you see, it's super clear and see-through. There has a light amber color from the Arnica extract. It smells divine. I can literally smell some of the lavender essential oil and of course the orange blossom hydrosol. It smells really lovely. So what we'll do now, we're just gonna check our pH levels. It's supposed to be between 4.5 and 5.5. As you see, the strip in here it's green. That means that we need to adjust our pH. So to lower down our pH, we need to use some of the citric acid. Literally a little pinch of the citric acid, no more. And just gonna give a slightly gently stir, but stir it very well incorporating this citric acid for the pH adjustment. And straight away it's changed the color in the light yellow color. So it did work. We can check again. How is it? And now, as you see, it's like orangey color, which is good. What we'll do now, we're gonna add 1% of the formula of the Cosgard Preservative, which is water-based preservative. And 1% of the whole formula, it's 1.2 grams. And again, mixing the preservative very, very well into our toner till it all will melt down in between. And we can check the pH now again. Yeah, and the pH is fine, it's orangey. And what I will do now, I'm just gonna transfer in a little bottle, the spray bottle here. And that is your toner. It's super great ingredients in there, guys. So use it in evenings or in the mornings, after you wash your face, to refresh it after clean face. And try it, let me know what you think. Leave it in the comment section below. And I see you next week. Bye.